To install the application software, make sure the area you're downloading is updated for proper use and for new features available in the software. As you can see here in the date modified, the year 2023 is the latest year, so click that, and after that it will lead to preparing to install, and then it will compute your space requirements. Just wait for that, and after confirming is next, press next, and then modify, and then next again, here the save file, then after that click install to begin the installation process. Make sure that you have the permission from the admin or the user, because it will lead to the confirmation of the admin installation. And then once you click OK, it will now finish and you can open now the software. After opening the application software, now let's try to connect the device to the scale. Now to connect, click the communication and click mode, then choose the mode, COM mode, either the Ethernet or the serial. So I suggest click the Ethernet for smooth connection and for easy way of connecting. Now after selecting the Ethernet, click the Ethernet settings and make sure that only one scale or only one state is enabled and the rest is disabled for avoiding the conflict of IP addresses. After selecting the scale, click the clock and click OK, and let's wait for the state because it's connecting. It's checking for the right IP address. As you can see, the connection failed. So the reason why it failed because it has no available IP address, or the IP address that connected is wrong. And when we go to the ZNet, as you can see, there's no available IP address shown. So let's try to connect now. And for connecting it or to change your IP address, go to the control panel and then click the network and internet, and click the network and sharing center and change adapter settings and click the Ethernet and click the properties, then go click the internet protocol version for TCP/IPv4. After clicking it, use the following IP address. So it will be typed manually. Type 192.168.0 and 20. Make sure that the last digit of the IP address is no similar in other addresses, because it will result in error when connecting it to the scale. And type the subnet mask, it will automatically generate, then OK. And once you set up the IP address, go back to the application and again click the clock, and as you can see, the state now is communication success. So the device and the scale is connected now. And when we go to the ZNet, we can now see the IP address, or the IP address is finally shown in here. After connecting the device and the scale, now let's arrange the merchandises or the product items. Now here we go to the base settings and merchandise. We see the product examples here. As you can see the name, we have orange, banana, apple, and carrots and rice. This is the example product of the system, so you can change it based on the item you're selling. For example, coffee there. And we also have code for easy searching. We have price, also editable based on the price of your item. And we have mode. As you can see, it's set to weight. So this is what we will use to get the price of the item based on its weight. Next is the label. So here in label, this is the settings option for your barcode thermal sticker paper. As you can see, set the weight and height of your sticker according to the ones you have. Set for its weight. For example, we set it largely for 50/40. There, as you can see, the sizes on its settings is adjusted based on the sticker you have. Now, for the component description, this is the displayed text or fonts that are shown here in the barcode. As you can see here, for example, we click the barcode. Here we can check it or uncheck if you want to input that here. And here, the price, text 22, the name for locating it there if you want to erase it or you want to show it. And again, here, total price, just search for the component description and then you can check it or uncheck it. Now for the X and Y axis, for adjusting the sticker based on its location. And here, the font size, we have adjustable fonts and adjust it according to the size of the sticker. And we also have the angle based on the angle that you want. Now, after inputting the needs, save it, then save as, save your file, input the file name of your made barcode. Here, as you can see, the file name is sample barcode 1. Then save it. And if you have already saved items or files, you can just go to the open and search for the file name of the barcode you saved here. Then you can press open. Next, for the base settings, we have advertisement, and this advertisement is also you can edit, and it will be shown here in the label. As you can see here, if you want to put an advertisement into the sticker, then you can adjust that. Here in hotkeys, this is the hotkeys in the scale that you can press it based on the numbers that the products are input. As you can see, you can put number 8 in here if you want the product orange to be number 8. And here in text, same as the advertisement, it will show here too in the sticker. And also for the shortcut, here we have shortcut keys here. You can easily click it. And next, I will show you the print example for the barcode. Now, let's proceed to the sample printing for the barcode. To select an item, here choose between the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 based on the items or item number that you input. Now let's click number 2. We have item name banana, and here we also see the unit price and the total price. Now let's put something heavy. As you can see, the total price is 38 for the item name banana. Now after inputting the item and you want to print now, just click the print option here, and after that it will show you the details of the barcode. As you can see here, this is the details. We have the time, we have the name, we have the date issued and the expiry date, and we have the barcode and the price and the number of the printed item.